I'm Carissa Fain, our Young Children's Community Guide. I work with the children 18 months to 36 months here at Butler. It is such a joy to work at Butler. We get to give the children an experience of independence and autonomy, even from our very young age. Their experience changes and grows with them as they get older, but it is consistently a place that we get to offer them respect and individuality. Butler in particular is just a beautiful school. I love getting to come here every day and be with the children. I love getting to spend time on our lovely campus. I feel that because we have an atmosphere of respect for the children, we also get to experience that as adults. The administration here is very supportive, and all of us as teachers get to really practice the art of our craft. I know that Butler is it's about to be 50 years old, and I think it really shows that with experience comes wisdom. And as a school and as a community, there's just such a cohesion that really comes with growth and with time. I know that the children here, they get to play with one another and they get to have fun, and they also get to learn and really grow into themselves as people as they create themselves through the wonderful work that we have here.